So, mag-unbox tayo ng JBL by Harman na headphones. So, ayan, it's your music free noise. So, JBL TUNE 750 BTNC. So, wireless siya, pure bass sound, active noise cancelling. So, ayan, 15 hours. So, active noise cancelling by Bluetooth. So, ito yung puso niya. Ayan. Ayan, and then sa likod, TUNE 750 BT. Ayan siya. So, pag naka-open siya is 15 hours. Pag naka-off, 22 hours yung battery. Tapos, ayan. JBL Pure Bass Sound. Active Noise Cancelling. Hands-free calls and voice control. Multi-point connection. And lightweight portable design. Ayan siya. Dare to listen. So, ito siya guys. Mag-unbox na tayo. So, I've got this one. Ayaw mag-focus. Ayaw mag-focus. Ayan. And I've got the orange na connector. And this is the product. This one, so mamaya na. And there is the quick start guide. So, lapit natin. Quick start guide. Warranty cards. So, that's it. And let's go to the product. So, ito siya guys. So, there is a left and then right. So, plastic siya. And then may foam siya dito. Then foam. Fit na fit siya dito. Perfect. So, JBL. So, I've got this around 345 dirhams, I think. Yeah. So, here's the power on button. Power on button. Noise cancelling. And then, volume. Data side. And then, for answer calls. So, and then the connector. Pwede mo siyang i-connect to headphones to phone also using this one. So, ayan. And then, for review. So, what's in the box? Of course, yung headphones, guide, yung ito, and then the orange one. So, ayan siya. And then, power on and connect. So, ayun nga, yung sinabi ko, power on and automatically enter pairing mode. So, automatic siya. Choose the JBL TUNE 750 to connect. So, next. So, bottom command. So, ayun yung sinabi ko kanina.
So, what's in the box?
So, in the box, you've got this one. The product itself. Here, the JBL. Ito siya. So, natitwist siya dito. Ayan. And then you have this cord. And then the orange. And then you have the quick guides. That's it. And then manual pairing or power on connect. So, this is the power on connect. Power on connect, this one, and then manual pairing mode. You can choose the JBL TUNE 750 BTNC to connect on the Bluetooth on your phone. So, bottom commands. So, this is the volume up, volume down, and answering calls. So, if you're going to press double positive, it means next song, and then this one will be the previous song. So, this one on the center will be to answer calls and cancel calls. So, you can also double click this one for Siri or IXBI and others. So, Alexa, Siri, and whatever. And this one will be the active noise cancellation. So, if you're going to click this one, active noise cancellation will be activated. And then, wired listening is possible also, this one. You can connect this one to your phone or on your laptop. And then, so that's it.